What do you think, bro?
Lady.
What are you gonna do? I think you should get in that seat over there.
Now you kill me.
Watch how fast he comes running.
That started? I don't know. Is it sequential or what?
No.
You don't put it in here.
Oh my god. What's up, y'all? We just finished the Southeastern Truck National, and now we're out here, Henderson, Tennessee, chilling out with Arnie. Yo, what's up, Arnie?
What's up, kid? What are you doing?
Nothing much. How are you?
Good, good, good. We just all came back from the Southeastern Truck Nationals, man. It was great. Y'all know I got one of your back halves inside here, man?
Oh yeah?
Is this one of the ones that you welded? Because looks like a roll of dimes, man.
Yeah, I think I remember welding this.
Did it? Yeah, man. We got a customer coming up. His trucks have mics. He's doing all the body work, and we're gonna do a front half and a back half. Obviously, only GSI. And then this guy wants the truck to lay frame, man. So
That's awesome.
So we're glad you and the GSI crew are able to come over here and check it out. But yeah, this guy got the full Monty, man.
It's awesome. Happy to be out here.
Yeah, man. Well, look, I'll show you a couple of things. We got a couple of billet parts we have out here, and then I'm out back on the CNC machine making some parts.
All right.
We'll check them out.
Alright, sounds good.
Hey, come here, man. I'll show you what I got going on over here. So this right now, we're working on billet upper control arms for the OBSs. Still need the last operation left, so I'm doing that.
What is this?
Whoa, 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 whoa. This is new prototype stuff. We'll talk about this later, man. This is going to be, I'll tell you this, no one knows. It's going to be for a reservoir for power steering. We're getting together with another company, but that's on the secret, you know?
Alright.
So
What is this?
that right there is to start another batch. We got to finish cleaning them up. This is going to be for the tricky air bed shocks. This is the mount that we make that the bed goes to and the shock goes to it. So we just finished making some of those. Those things sell a lot of times, so we always constantly make that. But like I said, right now we're doing tricky air bed shocks. Then sometimes, OBS Chevy Racing control arms. And then I'll switch it up to making some of the new 3-link that we got coming out, which actually utilizes a GSI bracket, you know. So let's take a minute and I'll show you Red X, and we'll go take a look at some of the suspension, okay?
All
All right, come on.
Sheesh, what do you got in there?
Dude, that's a 6.0 that I built from scratch. So we build our own engines here. That's a 6.0, started from the crank, make sure everything was nice and tight about it. It's got a set of 243 heads that we've ported, polished, massaged the valves and stuff. But what I want to show you is this truck's got our OBS coilover kit. So it's got the conversion kit on it. We're running Rytech shocks, 25-way adjustable. It's got our adjustable billet upper control arm, which has clearances. So it's just, she's nasty, man. It's an LS. It's an LS carbureted, and a lot of guys don't like it, but she doesn't let us down. I can fix this thing with a screwdriver. So I enjoy it. It's a great vehicle, and man, we're just, and she was built for thrashing.
Oh yeah.
You know, did you see her on Hoonigan at all when we were at the airport?
No.
Yeah. You got to go on YouTube, go on her Hoonigan. It's the same time that Big Red was doing it's like the Arkansas Mile. So these guys were going like over 200 miles per hour. We were there just to kind of support, you know.
Oh, yeah.
And then Zach from Hoonigans was there. He's like, dude, whose truck is this? One thing led to another.
I'll have to check it out.
Yeah, now she's got less tire tread, so we had to buy some new tires after that day. So, if you see here, we also got some slits. What do you think about the slits? Those are called the Sticky Ickies, baby.
Sticky Ickies?
Sticky Ickies, or better known as Purple Crack.
You use them a lot, or just?
When the time is right and the track is ready, we try to use them all the time, man.
Oh yeah.
So
you gonna let me drive it, or?
well, how about you ride shotgun and I'll show you what she can do.
All right, it's good enough.
Better than nothing.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, go. Your hat? Let me see your hat. Let me see your hat. Let me see your hat. All right, go dance like a girl. Dance. Roll it. Guys, so this is a representative of GSI. When they're not at work, they're enjoying the rain. They've never seen the rain. It doesn't rain in Arizona.
Desert.
Hey, here's your hat. Hey, is this for sale on the website? This is a new one? Not yet?
Gotta wait.
Gotta wait. So it's a teaser. Guys, by the time this video is out, apparently all these young kids are wearing it. This is a new fresh hat. See you later, Arizona. This is something. Now I gotta show you.
Say Arnie's truck is probably making about like 6 or 9 horsepower. Around there. So that concludes it, guys. We're out here. Just hung out at Arnie. You should do the thing with me and like we get at Arnie's shoot. What up?
Shut up, bruh. Shut up.
What are you talking about? Gotta get some freaking ticks on this long grass.
What did we have back there?
Mexican buffet! I'll take it for lunch.
It's a buffet.